So you want to lose your weight without those strict dieting and heavy exercises? So yeah, you are on the right platform. Today I am going to discuss about 5 habits that are going to lose your weight quickly and effectively. Let's start our video with our first habit, that is eat your food slowly. So what's the reason behind this that eating slowly will affect your weight? It's all about the exercise and the effort and the energy you show while eating. So, because you are consuming lots of energy while slowly chewing and slowly eating, soon you will be fed up from eating. So, the less food you eat, the less weight you gain. Don't take processed foods in your meal. What are processed foods? Basically, those foods which we are converting them from their agriculture form to another form. They are processed foods like pizza, white bread, sugary drinks, breakfast cereals, french fries, burger, and lots others. So why processed foods are bad for your stomach and health? Just because they contain lots of fats, sodiums, and other heavy materials that may bulk in your stomach will more lead you to the constipation and other stomach diseases and create more calories and may lead you to the obesity. So yeah, never eat processed foods. Let's get into our third habit, that is drink a glass of water before your meal. Why it's so important? Because water is an appetite suppressant. It makes your stomach feel fuller so that you will not eat much of food, and yes, you are going to lose your weight. So try to consume a glass of water before 30 minutes of your meal. Let's get into our fourth habit, that is take a high protein breakfast. On the other hand, you can say never to consume carbs or carbohydrates in your breakfast. Consuming lots of carbohydrates after a 9 hours empty stomach will lead you to overweight. So never consume carbohydrates in breakfast. Try to eat more protein even in a whole day. Let's get into our last but not the least habit for losing weight, is avoid sugary drinks and beverages. Try to consume more fresh fruit juices, because these processed sugary drinks and beverages would be harsh on your stomach and gain lots of calories. And if you are addicted to those sugary drinks and beverages, so let me tell you, you are destroying yourself. This is the worst thing that you can do with yourselves. Stop being addicted to these sugary drinks and beverages and try to go for more natural and fresh fruit juices. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it to your loved ones. And lose your weight with no efforts.